Hello friends, welcome to the another video of startup and recommissioning of KUKA robot. Let's continue from mastering with the dial gauge. Description: in dial gauge mastering, the axis is moved manually by the user to the mastering position. Mastering is always carried out with a load. It is not possible to save mastering data for different loads. Precondition: the load is mounted on the robot. All axes are in the pre-mastering position. The jog mode jog keys is active and the coordinate system axis has been selected. No program is selected. Operative mode T1. Procedure: in the main menu, select Startup Master Dial. A window opens. All axes that have not been mastered are displayed. The axis that must be mastered first is selected. Remove the protective cap from the gauge cartridge on this axis and mount the dial gauge on the gauge cartridge. Using the Allen key, loosen the screws on the neck of the dial gauge. Turn the dial so that it can be viewed easily. Push the pin of the dial gauge in as far as the stop. Using the Allen key, tighten the screws on the neck of the dial gauge. Reduce jog override to 1%. Jog axis from plus to minus at the lowest position of the reference notch, recognizable by the change in direction of the pointer. Set the dial gauge to 0 if the axis inadvertently overshoots the lowest position. Jog the axis backwards and forwards until the lowest position is reached. It is immaterial whether the axis is moved from plus to minus or from minus to plus. Move the axis back to the pre-mastering position. Move the axis from plus to minus until the pointer is about 5 to 10 scales division before 0. Switch to incremental jogging. Move the axis from plus to minus until 0 is reached. If the axis overshoots 0, repeat steps 5 to 8. Press Master. The axis that has been mastered is removed from the window. Remove the dial gauge from the gauge cartridge and replace the protective cap. Switch back from incremental jogging to the normal jog mode. Repeat steps 2 to 11 for all axes to be mastered. Close the window. Next is mastering external axis. Description: KUKA external axis can be mastered using either the EMD or the dial gauge. Non-KUKA external axis can be mastered using the dial gauge if mastering with the EMD is desired. The external axis must be fitted with gauge cartridge. Procedure: the procedure for mastering external axis is the same as that for mastering robot axis. Alongside the robot axis, the configured external axis now also appear in the axis selection window. Mastering in the case of industrial robots with more than 2 external axes. If the system contains more than 8 axes, it may be necessary to connect the signal cable of the EMD to the second RDC. Next is reference mastering. The procedure described here must not be used when commissioning the robot. Description: reference mastering is suitable if maintenance work is due on a correctly mastered robot and it is to be expected that the robot will lose its mastering examples. Exchange of RDC, exchange of motor. The robot is moved to the MEMS position before the maintenance work is commenced. Afterwards, the axis values of this system variable are reassigned to the robot by means of reference mastering. The state of the robot is then the same as before the loss of mastering. Torque offsets are retained. No EMD or dial gauge is required. In the case of reference mastering, it is irrelevant whether or not there is a load mounted on the robot. Reference mastering can also be used for external axis. Preparation: move the robot to the MEMS position before commencing the maintenance work. To do so, program a point PTP MEMS and move the robot to it. This is only possible in the user group expert. Warning: the robot must not move the default home position instead of to MEMS. MEMS may be, but is not always identical to the default home position. Only in the MEMS position will the robot be correctly mastered by means of reference mastering. if the robot is reference mastered at any position other than MEMS. This may result in injury and material damage. Precondition: no program is selected. Operating mode T1. The position of the robot was not changed during the maintenance work. If the RDC has been exchanged, the robot data have been transferred from the drive to the RDC. Procedure: in the main menu, select Startup, Master, Reference. The option window Reference Mastering is opened. All access that have not been mastered are displayed. The access that must be mastered first is selected. Press Master. The selected access is mastered and removed from the option window. Repeat step 2 for all access to be mastered. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll continue from mastering with the MEMD and mark.